Calvin Russell here, CEO and founder of 850 Club Credit. Today we're going to talk about the new credit card installment plans, also known as buy now, pay later, all right, and why these companies are getting involved. Let's get straight into it. So for those who don't know, Affirm has been out for quite some time. A lot of companies have been popping up actually with, you buy it now, then you pay it over, 3 or 4 payments or something like that. Technically, that's being used as a credit card. Many companies didn't really look at it like that. They were not even reporting to credit bureaus until a lot of recent changes have been coming into play. And now that they have to report those monthly payments to the credit bureaus, you're pretty much a credit card at this point. And now credit card companies have gotten wind of that. All of those purchases that they missed out on interest payments on, monthly payments on, potential late payments, all that type of stuff, just revenue from credit card companies alone, they missed out on all of that when people go with companies like Affirm. Now that American Express is now jumping into it, Bank of America is jumping into it, and many other big names in banking, now they're going to be stepping up to the plate. So there's a chance that you may already have a credit card, and if you buy something within a certain purchase price or a certain period, and I don't know the parameters they're going to have for each bank. Obviously, each bank is going to be a little bit different, but they're more than likely going to have a certain purchase amount and then give you the opportunity to make that particular purchase within 4 monthly payments. Now, if you honestly look at the structure, it's no different than using your credit card like you normally would. You can easily buy something for $200 and pay it off in 4 payments. You don't have to make the monthly payment as the minimum payment that you always make. Because typically how people do it, they buy something for $200, their monthly payment is $25, and they'll say, well, I'll just pay this over the course of 8 to 10 months. Versus, at least with Affirm, people were actually paying a lot more, and then they're actually paying that off within a period of 4 payments. So that helps out tremendously. But the fact that a lot of these bigger banks are now stepping into that, this is going to be huge because this may actually put some companies out of business. This will challenge some companies financially because they're going to be taking the business away. This was a short-term industry, but now it may turn into something different now that bigger companies are going to be stepping in. And now that means that they may actually start buying out other companies with this as well. We'll see how this all pans out. I had no idea it was that big, but obviously it got bigger with people doing things over the pandemic. Then that led into them reporting to the credit bureaus, and now you have big banks are actually stepping into this. So as we get more information on this, we'll be sure to keep you guys posted. If you like this video, like it. If you want to share it. And as always, be sure to subscribe as we have nothing but great content well on the way. Thank you guys so much. Have a great day.